Hi, I'm Peggy Farron. A fun project to do on a rainy day is what I call fruit splash, and it's also a great exercise to really practice your off-camera flash. Supplies needed are a fish tank, 2 black towels, clips to hold the towel, squeegee, and some colorful fruit. You're also going to need 2 flashes and shoes to hold them, 2 sets of manual triggers, and we use black foam board for flags. Put 1 towel underneath the fish tank and then clip the other one to the back of the fish tank because you need a black background. You're going to need triggers. Now these are Cowboy Studio manual triggers. Just make sure they're on the same channel. Be sure you've got batteries, good batteries in them, and then be sure that they're turned on. Now, the transmitter doesn't need to be turned on, just the receiver, and then you put it on the shoe, so just kind of slide it in and then screw it tight so that it doesn't fall off. So you've got the receiver on the shoe. Then go over to your flash. Now, this is a Canon flash. I don't know what kind of flash you have. I'm not going to teach you to use your flash, but you're going to put it in the manual mode, and then we determined the best settings were 1/16 power, and 1/16 power, and then I'm going to use zoom to 105. We do have a class called the 4 Weeks to Proficiency in Photography that will teach you how to use your flash if you're not familiar with it. Once you have your settings right, then put the flash onto the receiver, push it all the way in, and then lock it. And then you're going to put it near the fish tank, okay? So you want to put it, I don't know, not very far away, maybe 5-6 inches, and like kind of right in the middle of the fish tank. But you're going to splash, so protect it. We put a gallon Ziploc bag, and this is our foam board, which is our flag. So put a rubber band on that and put it all around. Very sophisticated, as you can see. And then I move the flash a little closer so that the flag is actually touching the fish tank. Put the transmitter on top on the hot shoe of the camera. Screw it on. Make sure it's on there all the way. Put your camera in the manual mode. Now, the settings that we determined were best for us were ISO 100, 1/60th of a second for the shutter speed, and f11. You may need to tweak that, but that's a good starting place. We have a squeegee because you get bubbles inside of the fish tank. So have a squeegee available so that you can get rid of the bubbles. You don't want bubbles in the front of the glass. Position yourself low enough so that you're shooting straight into the fish tank. And do a test to make sure that the flashes are firing. Your helper can drop the fruit for you. It's going to take a few tries to get it exactly right, but it's a lot of fun to keep going until you get the picture that you really hope for.
Get up!